how to drape a saree. Things you'll need: a saree, a well-fitted blouse, matching inskirt and safety pins. Begin by wearing the inskirt. Ensure it is secured safely and tightly with the drawstrings. Your blouse has to be well fitted. Begin by taking the top or the unembellished end of the saree and tucking it into the inskirt. While doing this, make sure there are no creases so your saree looks neatly draped. Do this from left to right. After completing one circle or wrapping the saree once, take the remaining portion and wrap it once again around and throw the remaining end or the pallu over the left shoulder. Here you can adjust the length of your pallu. Once the length of the pallu is determined, adjust the remaining portion of the cloth and secure it by tucking it into the inskirt. Now, with the yarns of cloth in front, make pleats. Each pleat can be about 5 inches long and generally women draw between 7 and 12 pleats. Adjust the pleats to ensure that it looks neatly done and secure with the safety pin. Now, tuck the pleats into the inskirt. Once done, ensure that there is no loose portion of the saree. If you find any, you can neatly tuck it away. Now, take the pleats and take the pallu and you can make pleats and secure with a safety pin. This gives a very neat and a professional look. Adjust the front portion of the pallu. It is a good idea to drape thin materials or lighter materials in this style. Drape sans pleats. For silk sarees, you can just take one pleat or the pallu and put it over the left shoulder and secure it with the safety pin. It is a good idea to follow this style of draping for functions or a night out.